version last year in Toronto, and it's this pristine print. The colors are so sharp, the sound.
कितने आदमी थे?
Welcome to the opening night of the 26th annual New York Indian Film Festival. Thank you for coming to say hello to whom.
It had to be a single character film because I wanted every other element to be excluded. And the reference points had to come through only oral medium, you know, through radio or through mobile phones, through television. And the entire focus had to be on this person who is escaping, you know. And I was scouting for producers in Bengal, but I was told that a single character thing is not going to work. And we need faces and all of that. So I thought that I had to make this film anyway. So why not make it yourself?
Hi, I'm Tanisha Chatterjee and I'm here with Full Plate, directed and written by me. And I know I'm going to have an amazing screening tonight at the New York Indian Film Festival. But what after? You know, independent films always struggle to find distribution, and we get very happy and elated when we get the response from a festival audience, which is amazing, which tells us that yes, our films do have an audience. But hey, the gatekeepers of the industry do not let us reach, you know, our audiences. And that's always a struggle, and we need to find ways to actually reach our audiences.
Hello, I'm Shamik Roy Choudhury, and this is my film, Maya Shatrughan. And I'm thrilled to have it here in New York Indian Film Festival. And I'm looking forward to get the same response when I release it in the theaters. And it's an independent film, but what I think is this film has a balance between a festival film and a commercial film. So let's see how the New York people take this film as, and how the theatre people respond to it.